is happening in building
Right.
F. I mean, I've always known that I could hear it when it goes off on A or G,
Right.
but I never realized that I could hear it when it went off in building F.
Yep.
I mean, that's way too loud.
Of course. And all the lights flashing inside.
When the fire alarm goes off in one building, it shouldn't wake every building in the complex.
No.
You know?
Should not. It's too fucking loud. Give me a heart attack.
Well,
Look at how long this is taking. I'd be going insane if I lived over there. And it's probably nothing. If it
Yeah.
is anything,
yeah.
what about a fire extinguisher in every unit? What's wrong with that?
I think there ought to at least be a fire extinguisher in every hallway.
Of course.
I mean,
This would be completely avoidable if everybody, if there was, one fire
there should
extinguisher.
There should be a fire extinguisher in the hallway on the first floor and one on the second. And if it's discharged, you should have to report it so they can maintenance
Right.
the extinguisher.
What the hell is he doing? Oh my god. Oh, the fire engine. Oh my god. Yikes. Try not to hit my car this time. Oh. I am having a panic attack. This is necessary, really. God. They have blue lights on them now? I've never seen that before. It's always been red and white lights, and now they have blue and green.